Hello from Chic Spaces. We are here today at my home Tarakshya with a new and beautiful 3 BHK ready to dwell in. We have designed and executed modern furniture used in different colors very boldly. We have Punit here today to talk about more about the project.
Hello everyone. I love the color combinations used with the hint of ash grey wood which makes the house more subtle. My favorite space of the house is CBR study table.
Curved puja spaces and master bedroom headboard wall is one of my favorite. What is yours? Please let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space.